Well, hello there. Welcome back to the Corniest Corner. Now, in the Corniest Corner, this is where we run some of the corniest jokes about some of the hottest topics in Jamaica and around the world. Now, on today's episode of the Corniest Corner, we run some corny joke about the national, junior, and senior athletics trials are going over the weekend. We're going. We can reap some corn, no? We have two questions for ask. Sharika Jackson, she related to Michael? And the second question, they going to charge her for stealing? Because she just show up on the national trials and she just run off with the title like a smooth criminal.
You've been hit by a smooth criminal.
So, Blake finally made it back to the top. He made the 100-meter title. Well done, Blake, well done. But somehow, never believe they're going to make it to the... On the two line, if you did believe, say, Blake, they're going to make it back to the top. Let me see. Johan. Let me see you. Knock, knock. Who's there? Tina. Tina who? And it's like her name Tina Clayton. She and Tina Turner, Matter of fact, she a give out the beating. It's almost like a she named Ike.
You're gone too far now, man.
Next joke, because we say we come here to can them today. So Mrs. Thompson era qualified for the 100-meter of the World Championship, right? But after the race, she said, boy, she never really happy because things they go on. One night time, she had planned to walk left the race. But it's like a birdie come pitch pan her shoulder and say, hey, don't move, you better turn up in a Elaine.
Jesus, I'm tired! My God!
So, Hansel, we say you make it figure around the 110-meter hurdles, and we're proud of you, But just a suggestion, sort out your transportation situation from now, because we know why you go Oregon, go try getting help from Gretel. We know why you try that, not now. So me the forward the stadium, because I say, the 100-meter, them nah miss me. So we in the stadium, and we watch athlete them, and them a keep warm and them thing, because the place is kind of chilly. You see me? But if I want athlete, me sure so never need for warm up, I came here. Because as you know, I'm barely cold. Alright, so me know say a whole heap of people disappointed. So Mrs. Fraser Price never run the finals and them thing. But of course she have a wild card, so she's secure. But if I one thing me sure about, you see when she reach World Championship, she not hold back. She go Shelly. Shell. Alright, let me take off my glasses for that one. This is the last piece of joke, I mean, no, we did say we are focused on the Jamaica national trials, but with all we're going with Sha'carri and the fact that she not qualify, me have to talk about it. So of course, you know, say she not qualify for the World Championship, and she not talk to the media, she not give a statement, nothing at all. So look like Miss Sha'carri, literally, I plead the fifth. Get it? Because she come fifth in the two race. Them. We have to keep up, That is a levels joke. It's a levels joke. I wonder. Thanks again for joining us on the Corniest Corner. I'll catch you in the next one.